testing similar aircraft as competition steps up in a potentially multi-billion-dollar market.
Once we have started in mass production, it will be definitely available for everyone. So also the fares will go down.
Fares are now currently about $100 to ride in the drone.
And we will definitely see it all over the world.
For now, fares are expected to be
It can only go short
around
distances.
$100 for a short ride, a price few ordinary people could afford.
Yes, I would say it's an ultra niche market. Of course, you always have some rich people wanting to saving some time, but I think it won't be the Uber of tomorrow. Air taxi definitely, it's for a target like this of customers.
It's unlikely that flying taxis will replace regular cabs anytime soon, but in a city where heavy traffic
Yeah, for a place like LA, it could be a great alternative to
Slides.
getting the road.
We have bumper cars, we have roller disco, and it's all a destination.
And that ship is in Qatar,
Integrated. It's
waiting
built like
for
this,
the
because when we cruise normally, people
Soccer
search
Teams
for
World
certain-
Cup. It has 12 layers, 12, what do you call it, ships,
Look for us to
floors.
have, an experience, and I think here it will be also an integrated.
They have everything for the people. You don't even have to be on the beach of Qatar. You can
Experience. So yeah, yes.
pay to be on the
Qatar
ship.
2022 is a year of firsts. It's the first World Cup in the Middle East. It's the first World Cup that's aspiring to be carbon neutral. And for MSC Cruises, it is also a first in terms of sustainability. Why is that, and what can you tell us about MSC World Europa?
I think sustainability is in everything we do, and in this particular case, our ship is built with LNG. So our engines run on LNG. It's our first LNG ship, and it's the world's biggest so far.
So liquefied natural gas, and I read that there's cell fuel technology involved to run it.
Also hydrogen cells, which
Now
will
that's
power
a
the ship when
monster.
it's imported.
You
what's
can
the
imagine
benefits
all
of
the waste coming into the water from that ship.
Well, it's cleaner and it's neutral.
So it'll reduce carbon emissions, correct?
Yes.
Okay, and can I ask you, why do you think it was so important for MSC Cruises to offer this kind of sustainable option?
I think it's the future of cruising, and we have to be carbon neutral, absolutely.
So this boat will take 2,100 staff members to maintain over the
2,100 staff to maintain this boat. So a lot of employment.
course of the World Cup. What kind of preparations go into making this kind of thing happen?
A lot of logistics for finding our crew, for flying them to the ship, training, loading up the ship, getting all the restaurants ready, getting all the provisions on board.
It must cost extra every time you want to go off the ship and go onto the land.
So it is years in the planning, and we are here, and we're excited to show it off to the visitors of Qatar.
Thank you so much. I want to mention that rooms, cabins on these ships start at $700. If you don't want a cabin, there are many other options according to the Qatar 2022 accommodations portal. They include a night on a Dow boat for about $1,000, and then to the other end of the spectrum, there are fan villages with cabins that run $200 a night.
I think they said they were going to have 3 or 4 of ships like that parked for the games And so you can imagine with 3 or 4 of those huge ships parked into that water is going to be a disaster with all of the human waste, the food waste. I don't know how they're planning to get rid of all that stuff, and just everything that's going to be going into that water, or otherwise disposed of. It is going to be a mess, but interesting. Okay, please like and subscribe. Bye.